guys, today I'm going to be making a video about slime, so yeah, let's get to it. So the stuff you're going to be needing is a bowl. I actually have another one because I'm going to be making one for a friend. I have 3 of these just in case. You're going to need a container, something to mix with, and the stuff you will be needing to actually make it is a thick shampoo. I'm using an organ oil thing. Yeah, I'm using this one. And then I need shaving cream and salt. So let's get to it. The first thing you're going to do is put some of this in. Okay, well, not coming out here. So okay, so do that. Okay. Whoa. So I'm gonna go get another one because this is not working. So I'm gonna be right back and getting another shampoo. Well, okay, and just to leave a surprise for the next person. Okay, so I believe this one should be thick. Oh yes, that's very thick. Okay. And let's do that. And then let's mix. This is actually a fluffy slime. You guys will see it with the title. Sorry that I didn't speak of it. So I want to be making daily videos of slime. Use this. So mix well. At least try to make sure there's no white spots in it. We need to do this, and now add salt. I'm doing that much. If you're making, as you're starting, if you're doing this at home, you can actually feel how thick it gets. What you do. So when you start it, it's like really. But these are so satisfying to make. Then you just mix. And extra fluffiness. So I want you guys to tell me some videos you'd like me to do, slime things you'd like me to test out. Give me some things more else, like vlogs or stuff like that. Because I listen to the and uses so much salt.
Just the two of us. When I first started this ministry, there were 20 members. Now we have to hold two services on Sunday to accommodate the congregation.
I think I overflowed it.
Now it's all falling apart.
But that's okay.
I'm wondering how
Because it will turn out to be fluffy slime.
I can't let him tear my whole family.
Where did I put my phone? Because I need it for my timer. Let's put some more of this in.
Jim and I were working late in the sanctuary.
You don't have to put this much, but I keep failing. I have to keep adding more of something to get it back to how it was.
I already picked up. Jim took the call in his office. And so the next morning I played the messages. And their conversation was recorded.
This is Jim Curtis. It's Richard. I told you not to call him. It's an emergency.
Sorry, it's a cat.
I told you I wasn't where you're at.
You said you'd take care of
Not like this.
You'll be sorry.
And actually, if you guys have this, I recommend using it while you do this. So I have another container. So if you overflow it, just get another container and just pour some of that in the other container. Just going to re-put all this in.
Only the LA were kissed. The Lord gave us 10 beautiful and innocent children. And He betrayed me. He betrayed us all. Taking drugs and having sex with other people. He was doing this. That He never meant to hurt you. He was a preacher. And then He changed.
So I have a bubblegum pink. I actually wish I could have had another shampoo so we could have another color. That changing it helped, and now I have another one. Like this around.
And a murderer. What am I supposed to do? Smile and take their boring wife while they drag my whole family through the mud? They're uncovering every driveway, and it's only going to get
Once you do that, I'm just going to add a little more, but not salt. Don't add more salt. So now I'm going to go find my phone, and then we can start the time.
Your wife loves you. Do you really want to put her through the humiliation of a trial? What about your kids? Your congregation? Do they deserve this?
Even if your confession is thrown out, we've got the tape, bank record showing you were paying Richard entrance rent, and your DNA on the pill that he used to smoke with.
Reverend, you're going to jail. So why not face the facts now and make this a whole lot easier on everyone?
If you can't see already, it's getting real thick.
I'm responsible for Richard Andrew's death. But I will answer God
Can
for
you
my actions, not a
go put
person's
this in there?
God loves me because he... How can a man of God confess the Lord with the gospel?
There goes one.
Yeah, God's no different from anyone else. So, Brother Curtis can commit murder and say prayer out.
And now let's just turn on the timer.
Say you come to confession
And start.
lusting after another woman.
So while we're waiting, we can just watch more slime videos. I find out more ideas.
I'm going to tell you that responsibility for your actions.
And if you guys are wondering what things I used for this, you don't not necessarily need this, but if you would, because I don't put my things in there I don't know, I think that God.
Circumstantial DNA's important. It's covered for someone. Sometimes the very devout hold themselves accountable for sins they haven't committed. Excuse me, Father. Stand up. Wow, right there.
So, this actually really helps. It holds them. It's a kitchen thing, like you use it for the kitchen. Okay? So the ones that I use, I actually use that. I actually come out to right there, but that's okay. I use Herbal Escape by VO5. And moisturizing shampoo. Fire, rhythm, and stuff. Any ordinary stuff. Whoa! What? Still had it open. And bottle cell thick and rich healing cream. So yeah, I'm gonna go put these back and then I'll put it back.